The French Ministry of the Armed Forces revealed a significant milestone in military aviation with the Directorate General of Armaments, DGA, announcing the inaugural flight of the ARCHANGE aircraft, marking a leap forward in France's strategic intelligence capabilities. This new platform is set to bolster France's ability to gather and analyze critical electromagnetic data on a global scale. The ARCHANGE project involves converting 3 Dassault Falcon 8X jets into cutting-edge airborne intelligence systems. These aircraft are designed to detect and scrutinize radar and communication signals, thereby reinforcing the French Air and Space Force's prowess in electromagnetic intelligence at a strategic level. The delivery of these platforms is scheduled under the 2024 to 2030 military programming law. The base Falcon 8X, a refined successor to the Falcon 7X introduced in 2016, spans 24.46 meters and is powered by 3 Pratt & Whitney Canada PW307D engines. This configuration enables a top speed nearing 953 km per hour and a remarkable range approaching 12,000 km. The Falcon 8X also boasts a spacious cabin accommodating up to 19 passengers, providing flexibility for various mission crew configurations. First unveiled at the 2019 Paris Air Show, the ARCHANGE variant integrates advanced systems like the CUJ electronic warfare suite from Thales, the Easy Digital Flight Deck, and the Falcon Eye combined vision system. Its enhanced sensor array and 3-engine design optimize long-range interception, including detection of modern stealth technologies. The program anticipates delivering the first of these aircraft in 2025. These Falcon 8X-based platforms will succeed the older Transall C-160 Gabriel aircraft, which served France since 1989 in electronic reconnaissance and intelligence roles until their retirement in 2022. Compared to the Falcon 8X, the Transall was considerably larger, with a wingspan of 40 meters and a length of 32.4 meters, but it flew slower and had a shorter range, 5,000 kilometers extendable by in-flight refueling. Mission objectives for ARCHANGE include intercepting and characterizing electromagnetic emissions, enhancing situational awareness in electronic warfare, assessing adversary capabilities, and sharing real-time intelligence across allied forces. By bridging the capability gap left by the Transall's early retirement, the ARCHANGE aircraft will significantly strengthen France's electronic warfare operations. The DGA emphasized that this achievement reflects a collaborative effort among all partners, underscoring France's commitment to enhancing its defense autonomy, operational superiority, and informed decision-making in the complex modern security environment.